Okay, for question 6a, part 1, we're given that we've got a group of 20 children who chose their favourite type of fruit juice, and the results are listed here. And we need to complete the frequency table. And you may use the tally column to help you. So it's a good idea to use the tally column and just go through the results one at a time and cross each one off as you go, and then you're less likely to make a mistake. So if we start at the top left here with orange, so we've got one orange and then a tropical and then a pineapple and then an apple, then we've got another apple, and we've got an orange and another apple and a mango, another apple, a mango, another apple, so now I've got 5 apples, a pineapple, another pineapple, another apple, a mango, an orange, 2 mangoes, so 4, 5, an orange, and an apple. Okay, so our frequency then, so now that we've got our tally column completed, it's easy to work out the frequency. So we've got 4 orange, 7 apple, 3 pineapple, 5 mango, and 1 tropical. Okay, so that is part 1. So if we scroll down a bit for part 2, and we'll just zoom out a little bit so we can see a bit more. There we go. Okay, so we have to draw a bar chart to show these results, and remember to mark the scale on the frequency axis. So we've got our frequency axis, this one here. So we've got 0, and then we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can just draw this in. So I'll use a different color here. So orange we had 4. So if we keep the bars the same width, so I'm just going to use 2 columns here. And remember, when you do a bar chart, the bars shouldn't touch each other. Okay, so we'll leave a space. I'm just going to leave 2 columns there. And then apple, we're going to have 7. So that goes up to there. So that is apple. And pineapple is 3. So that's there. Mango is 5. So that will be up to there. And tropical was just 1. Okay, so that is our bar chart done. And now if we just scroll down a bit more for part 3. Okay, so Sarah has a pack of 20 cartons of juice. So we've got exactly 20 cartons here given in our bar chart here. We know that 5 are orange, 5 are apple, 5 are pineapple, and 5 are mango. So she would like to give each child their favourite type of juice. How many children will not get their favourite type of juice? Okay, so she's got 5 orange, so that means there's only 4 people who wanted orange. So everyone who wanted orange, they'll get their favourite juice. But she's only got 5 apple, and 7 people here like apple. So that means there's going to be 2 children that don't get their favourite juice. 2 will not get the apple. Pineapple, that's less than 5, we've got 3. So they'll all get their favourite juice. Mango, we've got 5. So they'll all get their favourite juice. And tropical, well, she doesn't actually have any tropical. She's just got orange, apple, pineapple, and mango. So the person who liked tropical will also not get one. Well, will also not get their favourite juice. So then we've got 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It'll be 3 children that will not get their favourite type of juice. Okay, so that is question 6a. Now for question 6b, we've got 1 litre of a mixed fruit drink contains 550 milliliters of apple juice, and write down the fraction of the drink that is apple juice, giving your answer in its simplest form. So know that 1 litre is 1000 milliliters. So we just need to make sure the units here are the same. So we know it's going to be out of 1000, and we've got 550 milliliters as apple juice. So we've got 550 out of 1000. We can divide both by 10, so we can cancel out there. So that's going to be 55 over 100. And now we just need to find a common factor between 55 and 100, or 5 will divide into both of them. So dividing the numerator and denominator by 5, we're going to get, 55 divided by 5 is 11, and 100 divided by 5 is 20, and we can't simplify this anymore. Okay, so our answer then is 11 over 20. Question 6, part C. Jason wants to buy a bottle of fruit juice, and these are the sizes of bottle. We've got 3 sizes here: 0.9 litres for $2.40, 1.25 litres for $3.15, and 1.35 litres for $3.50. And we need to work out which one gives the best value, and we need to show how we decide. So what we want to do is work out the cost per litre for each of these 3 types of fruit juice and see which one is the cheapest per litre. So what we're going to do then is have our cost, so 2.40, $2.40, and divide it by the amount of litres we've got. And that'll give us the cost per litre. So another way to think about it, of why that is, you can think about it as a ratio. So for that first one, we'll have 0.9 litres for every $2.40. So $2.40. And if we want to get to 1 litre, well, one way to do that is we can divide by itself, 0.9, and we just have to do that to the other side as well. So $2.40 divided by 0.9, that will give us our cost per 1 litre. So if we get our calculator out, then we have $2.40, so 2.4 divided by 0.9, and that is equal to 2.6 recurring. And when we're dealing with money, we round to 2 decimal places. So this is going to equal then $2.67. So if you're doing it as the ratio, we have our 1 litre here, and it would be $2.67. The next one, I have $3.15 divided by 1.25. So we have 3.15 divided by 1.25, and that's equal to $2.52. So again, if you want to think about it as a ratio, now I've got 1.25 litres to $3.15, and then we just divide by 1.25 to get to 1, and we just need to do the same to there. So we divide by 1.25, and we got that answer as $2.52. So our final one then is going to be $3.50 divided by 1.35, and working that out, we get 3.5 divided by 1.35, and that is equal to $2.59. We're going to round that to 2 decimal places. So these what we've got here, these are all the cost per litre. So this juice here is $2.67 per litre, this one is $2.52 per litre, and this one is $2.59 per litre. So therefore, which bottle gives the best value? The answer is the 1.25 litre or litres bottle. Okay, so that finishes off question 6.